Happy birthday!
Hey, happy birthday! I love you so much.
Happy birthday,
my dear.
Happy 70th birthday. Papalakas ka. We love you. Mwah.
Mama.
Happy birthday, Lola. We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na sa kiss.
Happy birthday, Mama! Wish you always happy, healthy, and pretty.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko, lagi kang masaya. Humaba ang iyong buhay. Pahinga ka naman sa paglalaba. Matulog ka ng maaga. Salamat. At lahat kaming mga kapatid mo ay hindi mo pinagdamutan. Kung ano meron ka, binibigyan mo kami. Pinag-iipon mga panga kami ng kaldero eh. Lahat ng gusto mo, naibibigay mo pa sa amin. Salamat sa mga pag-aalaga ng mga anak ko. Habang ako'y nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Mahal na mahal kita, ate. I love you.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Ate Baby. Naway magkaroon ka ng malusog at malakas na katawan, kapayapaan, pagmamahal at kagalakan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sana masaya ang puso mo. At sana maging masaya ka for the rest of your life. Sana healthy ka din para maraming birthdays pa ang dumating sa'yo. Nandito lang lagi ang pamilya ko for you. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Lola Boss Baby. I hope you stay healthy forever and ever. Happy birthday, Lola Boss Baby. I hope we see you soon. Happy birthday!
Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Happy birthday!
Hi ate! Happy 70th birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa inyo is you will have a long life and healthy body. More birthdays to come po. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mother! We love you!
Ate, happy birthday! Sana marami pang birthdays. At sana hindi ka magkakasakit. Happy birthday, ate. Mahal na mahal kita.
Surprise! Happy 70th birthday, Ate Baby! Sana at alam ko magkakasama pa rin tayo sa Christmas kag New Year. Pag uwi ko dyan, planuhan natin yung katulad ng dati. Na importante, magkasama tayo. Tsaka mahal na mahal ko kayo. Nung umuwi ako dyan eh. Nung may seminar kami kaso hindi makasibat kasi 1 week lang yun kaya hindi ako nakapunta sa inyo. Pero pag pag bakasyon ko dyan planuhin natin. Dyan ako ulit mag Pasko at bagong taon para magsama-sama tayo tsaka magdasal tayo kaninyo. Sa ulitin, happy 70th birthday, Ate Baby. Sanang mabang-maba pa ang buhay mo, no? Kumain ng tama, ng gulay, ng mga vitamins, sa mga sobrang tabako na, pero,
Good health.
Basta, mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Baby. Enjoy lang sa birthday mo and sa inyo pong lahat. Enjoy and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday ulit. We love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Hello, happy birthday, be. Ako yung tatay ni Aaron. Kamusta kayo dyan?
Okay, happy birthday po, nanay. Okay, many more birthday to come. Okay, sige po. Ingat po lagi.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're on. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy 70th birthday. Magluto. Mama chup chup. Sana ikaw ay lagi kang masaya. Kahit na lagi kang nagluluto at ikaw laging naglalaba.
Basta sabihin mo lang kung anong gusto mo at ako'y pag-iipon para sa'yo. Tapos, sana'y lagi kang malakas. Naman namang mahal na mahal kita. Magsalita ka naman. Ako lang lahat eh.
Good health and long life.
Oh, good health daw and long life, mama. Sabi ni Paz. And, muah chup chup. Ang bate, galing sa paborito mong anak. Ako yun. I love you. Muah chup chup.
Happy 70th birthday, ate! Stay healthy. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lola Pepe. I wish you a long life and many more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Birthday, Lola Bebe. God bless you.
Baby, happy birthday. May you have birthday to come. Mwah. Sana.
Happy birthday!
Kakantahan ba natin?
More birthdays to come.
Kakantahan natin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday!
Wishing you a very happy day and very good health. Saka tuloy-tuloy ang biyaya. Enjoy mo ang iyong araw.
Happy 70th
Happy 70th. Kumain na masarap. Yan.
Yay!
Bye. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Go. Happy birthday, ate. More birthdays to come. And good health.
Hi, ate. Happy 70th birthday. Thank you for being one of the adults that keeps on guiding me up until now. I just hope that all your wishes will come true and that you will be always healthy and then God will always bless you. I love you. Again, happy birthday.
Birthday, Lola baby. I wish you a happy birthday. Have a good birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Hi, hello mother. Kumusta? Syempre, Jojo, pinakamagandang sister-in-law ni JC. Okay, mother, happy birthday. Sana magkita tayo ulit. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Dadalawin namin kayo pag nakapasyal kami ng Pilipinas.
Happy birthday po, mama. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Maurice Tucampo, happy birthday po ulit. Kita-kita po tayo ulit. Salamat po. Bye-bye.
Hello po, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Ako po yung anak ni Jojo. Tito ko po si Tito Arnold at si Tita JC po. More birthdays to come. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lola.
From Kyle and
Joanne.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Judy's mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy
70th birthday, Ma. Happy birthday, Ma. I hope you like the videos from your family and friends who appreciate you, love you, and care about you. Sana nagustuhan mo yung mga videos namin. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 70th. We wish you a good health, long life. Sana lagi kang masaya. Papalakas ka parati. Kayo ni Papa, enjoy kayo sa life nyo. No worries. Kaming magkakapatid, para pag umuwi kami, we can spend time together, masaya tayo. I hope lagi na kami makakauwi para magkakasama tayo. You, Arnold.
Hello, happy birthday, Ma. I hope you got more birthday to come and healthy life. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, and
happy birthday again.
101%, Ma. Even we're away, kaming magkakapatid, we love you. We love you so much.
We love you, Ma.
Okay?
Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye-bye.